Let's discuss some limits. Limit x goes to 0, 1 plus x power n minus 1 divided by x. So how we can solve these limits? Let's assume y, this is equal to 1 plus x or x plus 1. So I assume that this, inside of the brackets, 1 plus x is equal to y. Then is x goes to 0, is this x goes to 0 and y goes to 1. So this limit will actually change to limit y goes to 1. 1 plus x will be replaced by y. So y power n minus 1 and divided by. So from here we can calculate that x is equal to y minus 1. So replace this x as well, y minus 1. Now, by standard limits, we have limit x goes to 0, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. This is equal to n a power n minus 1, where a should be greater than 0. So then we have limit y goes to 1, y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. That will be equal to n into 1 power n minus 1, because a here is 1. So then that will be equal to n, or we can say that limit x goes to 0, because this limit is equivalent to this one. So limit x goes to 0, 1 plus x and minus 1 divided by x. That would be equal to n.